Welcome to my journey, this 9-day truly life-changing. Let us see the results.
I just started using the Forever C9 pack, and honestly, it's a game changer for my wellness routine. This convenient nutrition pack is packed with everything I need to stay on track. First off, the Forever Fiber is a must-have. It's super easy to mix in, and it helps keep my digestion on point. Then there's Forever ARGI Plus, which gives me that extra boost of energy without the crash. I love the Aloe Herbal Infusion too. It's refreshing and helps me stay hydrated throughout the day. And let's not forget the Aloe Vera Gel, 3 litres of pure goodness. It's perfect for mixing into smoothies or just taking straight up. The Forever Lite Ultra Kulfi is a delicious protein option that satisfies my sweet tooth. The Forever Garcinia helps curb those cravings. This pack really makes it simple to stick to my wellness goals. If you're looking to kickstart your journey, the Forever C9 is definitely worth checking out.